Chapter 12. Cybersecurity. The Internet was actually constructed to link autonomous computers for resource sharing and to provide a common platform to community of researchers. As Internet offers, on the one hand, huge number of benefits, and on the other hand, it also provides equal opportunities for cyber terrorists and hackers. Terrorist organizations and their supporters are using Internet for a wide range of purposes, such as gathering information and dissemination of it for terrorist purpose, recruiting fresh terrorists, funding attacks, and to motivate acts of terrorism. Cyberspace. Cyberspace is a virtual space that uses computer, modify, and exchange information through the use of networked system. The term cyberspace refers to an online environment of cyber world where many participants are involved in social interactions and have the ability to affect and influence each other. People interact in cyberspace through the use of digital media. Computer ethics. The cyber world is a term given to the modern world of computers, communications, and other digital technologies. There is no denying the fact that benefits gained from technological advancements are many. But as with all things in life, moderation is key. Being aware of the harmful aspects of the overuse of electronics will help you avoid any unnecessary pitfalls. Computer users must follow certain codes of conduct which are collectively known as computer ethics. It is a concept in ethics that addresses the ethical uses and constraints that arise from the use of computers and how they can be prevented. Major ethical issues are the following. Plagiarism. Plagiarism is the act of copying someone else's work and publishing it as your own. This includes text, media, and even ideas. Whenever another person's work is copied and republished without an appropriate reference or citation, it is considered plagiarism. It can be defined as the unauthorized or close reproduction of the language or thoughts of another author and the representation of them as one's own original work. Ways to avoid plagiarism. Paraphrase. Make sure that you do not copy more than 2 words in a row from the text you have found. If you do use more than 2 words together, you will have to use quotation marks. Quoting. When quoting a source, use the quote exactly the way it appears. Quoting must be done correctly to avoid plagiarism allegations. Citing quotes. Citing a quote can be different than citing paraphrased material. This practice usually involves the addition of a page number or a paragraph number in the case of the content. Referencing. One of the most important ways to avoid plagiarism is including a reference page or page of works cited at the end of your research paper. Privacy. Privacy is the ability of an individual or group to seclude themselves or information about themselves and thereby express themselves selectively. Privacy is our right to control what happens with personal information about us. Data privacy, also called information privacy, is the aspect of information technology, IT, that deals with the ability an organization or individual has to determine what data in a computer system can be shared with third parties. Internet privacy is the privacy and security level of personal data published via the Internet. It is a broad term that refers to a variety of factors, techniques, and technologies used to protect sensitive and private data, communications, and preferences. Internet privacy violation risks may be minimized as follows. Always use preventive software applications such as antivirus, anti-malware, anti-spam, and firewalls. Avoid shopping on unreliable websites. Avoid exposing personal data on websites with lower security levels. Clear the browser's cache and browsing history on a consistent basis. Always use very strong passwords consisting of letters, numerals, and special characters. security and integrity of information. Confidentiality, integrity and availability, also known as the CIA trait, is a model designed to guide policies for information security within an organization. Confidentiality is a set of rules that limits access to information. Measures undertaken to ensure confidentiality are designed to prevent sensitive information from reaching the wrong people while making sure that the right people can in fact get it. Integrity involves maintaining the consistency, accuracy, and trustworthiness of data over its entire life cycle. Availability is best ensured by rigorously maintaining all hardware, performing hardware repairs immediately when needed, and maintaining a correctly functioning operating system environment that is free of software conflicts. Intellectual property rights. Intellectual property rights are the rights given to persons over the creation of their minds. They usually give the creator an exclusive right over the use of his or her creation for a certain period of time. Intellectual property rights are customarily divided into two main areas: copyright, the rights of authors of literacy and artistic works such as books and other writings, musical compositions, paintings, sculpture, computer programs and films are protected by copyright for a minimum period of 50 years after the death of the author. Industrial property. Industrial property includes patents for inventions, trademarks, industrial designs. It covers brand logos, company name, etc. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is now considered as important part of individuals and families as well as organizations, governments, educational institutions, and our business. Internet is very important and beneficial for faculty, student, staff, and educational institutions, has provided lots of learning opportunities with number of online risks, fraud, and identity theft. Appropriate learning about the online behavior and system protection results in reduction in vulnerabilities and safer online environment. Cyber citizenship. The Internet is a place with its own very special rules. People who communicate over the Internet are called cyber citizens. Cyber citizenship is taking responsibility for your role in cyberspace and engaging in positive and ethical behavior when staying online. People of today's generation may be called digital natives by virtue of the fact that they have been born into and grown up in a world surrounded by digital technologies. Responsibilities of cyber citizen. Use respectful and kind language. Do not use bullying words. Treat others well. Do not share personal information such as your passwords or address. Do not plagiarize or steal information. Protect yourself and your computer by taking appropriate security measures. Cyber literacy. Cyber literacy is the ability to use computers and related technology efficiently. Cyber literacy is different from digital literacy. Digital literacy refers to the ability to communicate or find information from the Internet. Cyber literacy includes the following abilities: knowing how to use software, such as word processing programs, to type a document, doing research online to learn and study about a topic, adapting to new technologies, understanding how a technology can be used for work, school, entertainment, and personal use. Lesson sum up. Cyberspace refers to an online environment of cyber world where many participants are involved in social interactions and have the ability to affect and influence each other. Cyber world is more than just the Internet. Computer users must follow certain codes of conduct which are collectively known as computer ethics. Plagiarism is the act of copying someone else's work and publishing it as your own. Internet privacy is the privacy and security level of personal data published via the Internet. Confidentiality is a set of rules that limits access to information. Integrity involves maintaining the consistency, accuracy, and trustworthiness of data over its entire life cycle. Intellectual property rights are the rights given to persons over the creations of their minds. People who communicate over the internet are called cyber citizens. Cyber literacy is the ability to use computers and related technology efficiently. Digital literacy refers to the ability to communicate or find information from the internet.